Avoid these mistakes for a successful security camera installation. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing the wrong location for your cameras. Avoid placing them directly into bright light sources like the sun or windows. For maximum coverage, place cameras at entry points, garages, and driveways, where they're more likely to capture essential footage. Position your cameras high enough to prevent tampering, but not so high that they can't capture faces and other details. If you're using wireless security cameras, network connection issues can disrupt your footage. Ensure each camera location receives a strong Wi-Fi signal. Consider using a range extender if you're covering a large property to avoid gaps in coverage. Poor lighting can compromise footage quality. Ensure areas you want monitored at night are well lit, or choose cameras with reliable night vision capabilities. Remote access allows you to check in on your property from anywhere. Connect your cameras to your network and set up remote access on your smartphone or tablet. A 4K security camera system requires adequate storage for high-resolution footage. Plan for either local storage or cloud storage with sufficient capacity. Avoid these common mistakes and ensure a successful installation with help from SecureView Cameras Tampa. Visit www.secureviewcameras.com or call 800-489-9332 for expert advice and professional installation services.